Another view of it. Now, back off a little. This guy slides effortlessly, which is good. So the other issue I'm going to have to address, of course, as you can see, the swing. So it's not fully mounted either. There's only 2 brackets on there and the bottom isn't clipped. So obviously that will change the scope. But I think I'm going to put a drawer slide down on the bottom here somewhere. And so it forces it parallel. The drawer slide would be from here to here. So imagine right there, and then attach maybe to the bottom here. And so it stays back here hidden. There's a fridge right here, so you won't be able to see it. But it'll just be another way of creating a solid point. And then if I really want to get fancy, the ceiling is right here. If you can imagine this on the RV. If I make this slightly the same height or maybe a tad lower and allow it to drag on the ceiling. The ceiling is made out of fabric on this particular RV. So, and the majority of the time, this will be probably in this position. And then when they want to get access to the bunks, they will slide it out of the way. And I'm not sure why this didn't slide with it. Oh, it's sliding. That was close. It's sliding on the rail, not the guides. Whoops. Anyway, so the young kids can get up through here. Here's the old entrance. See how small it is. And I'm going to leave that as an option. So the panel that'll be right here will slide this way, is my thoughts. So that if they want, they can still use this. But when they have their couch, which imagine is going to be right here, I'll show you videos when I get that far. Then this here will be the main entrance. And also right here in the RV is entrance to the Class C driver's and passenger seat. Again, video coming soon on that.